Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook fresh green beans. Begin by selecting vibrant, firm beans, ones that snap cleanly when bent, indicating their freshness. Next, wash them thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Afterward, snap off or trim the tough, stem ends with a sharp knife. You can also snip off the wispy tail ends for a neater presentation, making them perfectly ready for cooking. Achieving that perfect crisp tender texture and a beautiful green color starts with blanching. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add your prepared green beans and cook them for precisely 3 to 5 minutes. Immediately after, transfer the beans using a slotted spoon into a bowl filled with ice water. This crucial step halts the cooking, preserving their vibrant hue and delightful bite. Once blanched, your green beans are ready for their flavor infusion. Heat 2 tablespoons of good olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium heat until it shimmers. Add about 1 clove of finely minced garlic, sautéing it for roughly 1 minute until wonderfully fragrant. Now, toss in your blanched green beans, stirring occasionally, and cook them for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing them to warm through and develop a slight char. To finish, season your beautifully sautéed green beans with half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste. For an extra bright flavor, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice or add 1/4 cup of toasted slivered almonds for a delightful crunch. These vibrant, tender crisp green beans are best served immediately as a versatile and delicious side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.